lovers, happy Sunday and welcome to this live broadcast. Welcome to Sicily and welcome to Gratteri. Gratteri is a small medieval village in the heart of the Madonie Nature Reserve. We are in the province of Palermo, in the north coast of Sicily. We are about 10 minutes far from the beautiful Cefalù and about 1 hour far from Palermo, the capital of Sicily. And I decided to visit Gratteri this day because they are going to celebrate the patron saint San Giacomo, and so we can visit Gratteri and also discover some beautiful corners and also a parade. And I have the great pleasure to be hosted by Visit Gratteri, an association that promotes Gratteri in the world. So some beautiful ladies and guys are waiting for me. But before starting this tour, please let me say thanks to Daniela for my beautiful crochet jewelry. I'm wearing something really authentic piece of Sicily, crochet earrings and crochet necklace, entirely handmade in Sicily with love by the hands of Daniela, the queen of crochet. And yes, I'm sure that you can see. What do you think, guys? Lemons from Sicily. Now it's time to listen the music. Let's go! Ciao guys!
Hello, Sicily lovers! Ciao!
They are
Ciao!
beautiful guys from Gratteri. Proud
Ciao!
Sicilians. Marco, then we have Andrea, Salvatore, Sofia, and Martina. Oh, they are playing. Salvatore, Sofia, they will be our guide here in Gratteri, and so thank you for hosting me. Marco is the president of Visit Gratteri, so thank you again for hosting me, and it's your turn now.
So, guys, we hope that you enjoy our journey in this fantastic and medieval village. Today we are in Gratteri. This is the main square of Gratteri, and Gratteri takes its name from some craters that are in the land that round Gratteri, and maybe also for the principal crater, the Grotta Grattara, that now you can see from there.
You will visit?
No, because it's
we
far.
Can see from above.
Yes,
okay.
from above we can see. And there is our Saint Patron, Saint Giacomo.
Now we are going to discover San Giacomo because, as I told you guys, today they celebrate the patron saint, San Giacomo.
San Giacomo.
And so, of course, due to COVID, there is no a big party, a big parade, but a religious mass, of course. And what else? So I told that Gratteri is the north coast of Sicily.
Gratteri is the north coast of Sicily, about 1 hour by car from Palermo, and from 10 to 30 minutes from Cefalù.
Signora, mi facete un saluto che siamo in diretta. America siamo. Mi facete un bello saluto.
Un bacio da Gratteri a tutti gli americani.
Oh, così. Brava, brava. Allora, qua chi stanno facendo? Mo contate chi stanno facendo qua? Ah.
500.
Chi famo facete un bello saluto che siamo in diretta in America, in Canada, in Australia. Il mondo, tutto il mondo ci sta guardando. Come? Uni? Ma chi mi interessa?
Tutto il mondo mi ha detto Giuseppe.
Lei non fa un bello saluto. Chi sta...
Facci vedere il basso.
Come sta giocando? A briscola?
A Scopuni. 500.
A scopuni. E poi che vinci? Who is the winner?
Mio compare.
Questi sono tutti succubi, non vincono mai.
Questo mio compare è quasi il migliore. Non è proprio il migliore, ma è quasi.
Oh, he said that this man is the best one. E che oggi come sta giocando?
Uguale.
Ah, e come vinci qua? E di lui?
Anno puro. Che significa fortuna come paese? O tu o non lo so. Dicono dite che sono appettiti.
Grazie. Salutiamo.
C'è una delle persone più anziane.
Giulino! Mi facessi un bello saluto, che siamo in diretta, in America, in Canada, in Australia. Ne volete dire qualche cosa?
Ma sta quando non ci. Ma che ne posso dire? Che vuoi che non ballo di
Poi c'è San Giacomo. Sonino, lei l'ha portata a San Giacomo. Quanti anni è che lo porta a San Giacomo?
64 anni. Noi 80 più.
Congratulations! Congratulazioni, grazie!
Siamo in America, ci vuole dire qualche cosa agli americani?
Bravo.
Salutiamo allora!
Basta bene.
Arrivederci!
Arrivederci.
So now we are going to discover the main square of Gratteri
Yes.
and of course the Mother Church.
There is where the myth starts to play, because of in origin this shell is an ancient shell that has a lot of years. Before there is also a myth around this shell. The myth was that a lot of time ago, about 300 years ago, a baron, a rich man, want to marry a young lady,
Uh-huh.
And this young lady, the name of this young lady is the Nympha. Nympha.
Okay.
Nympha also means object that purificates, that rebuild, regenerate
Okay.
with the water. And this one was.
So this is San Giacomo.
Yeah, this is our
Okay.
Saint Patron.
La festa è il 25 luglio e poi c'è anche quella del 9 di settembre.
So they celebrate the feast, the patron saint today, and then
7th, 8th, and 9th of September.
Okay,
Long
also-
time ago, the main fest was today.
Okay.
On the 25th. But nowadays, when long time ago they had to pick up the wheat, they couldn't come to the church, and they moved the party to September, 7th, 8th, and 9th of September. And now this is the main fest.
thank you. So now they are going to celebrate the mass outside.
Yes, because of the COVID.
So as you can see, this is the chair of the priest, and all the people from Gratteri are waiting for the mass outside.
More people are coming, I promise. Yeah.
Yes, because it's very hot today,
Yes.
guys. I think we have about 29 degrees today,
Yes.
and it's very wet. It's very hot, guys. So, Sofia, now it's time to enter the church.
Yes, we can go.
Okay, so if you have an origin here in Gratteri, it's the place where your ancestors maybe received the baptism.
Yes, it was built in the 19th century. It's the most new, and it was built with the rocks from the castle. And on the weekend, all type of people, children, women, and men, bring the rocks and put it on this church. And now this is the main church where we celebrate baptisms. And as you can see, on the top there's a right where is written Quis ut Deus, who is like God. That means San Michele Arcangelo, that is the patron of the church. And he's the one in the painting.
Yes, San Michele.
Can you hear the bells, guys?
This one is one.
Micro.
This one is one of the pulleys with wood. The Saint Patron is
Comes down.
comes down from the altar because of for the moment San Giacomo
Is outside.
Is outside. But when they have to move the saint on the altar because it's very large, they need rope and this one to bring it.
It's very heavy to
Yes,
to
it's
carry.
very-
Sante Spie, l'altare delle Sante Spie è molto importante.
Which one?
Would you like to tell me something, Sofia?
Yes, this is the chapel of Holy Throat, and we celebrate it on the first Sunday of May. And there's a legend linked to it, because a long time ago, two people from Collesano stole them, and they ran away through the wood to Collesano. But a very strong wind had to stop it, and they go down, and two people who were coming to Gratteri find them, and they bring it back home. And there's the legend of wine, and that's why the Holy Throat protect us from all the wind, rain, and when there's bad weather, long time ago, they used to put it out to protect the city.
Wow. A beautiful story.
Yes, we can go to the museum of the
I
church.
follow you. Ciao. Ciao.
Qui? Sì, sì. This one is the resin because we give to the people from the church, and this is the holy fruit of San Giacomo.
Oh, wow.
This is our museum, and it is full of relics. But the most important is this little statue. That is, it was built by Gaggini, who was one of the most important sculptures in Madonia, and we have it, and we are sure that it's true. So this is very important. And in the back, there's a little angel, and this is very particular.
It's a little treasure.
Yes.
I hope you can see, guys, because there is a glass, so maybe there is a little...
Yes, because they are very important and they can't leave it without a glass. And we have also a little piece of bone of San Giacomo, and we have also the relic of San Giacomo. We are full of relics. You can go.
This one came from another chapel that now is destroyed, because in Gratteri there were a lot of
Churches.
Yes, more than 7. For the moment we have 7 churches and 1 abbazia.
We can have a walk through the church to see the statues and the paintings.
This one is San Leonardo.
And it is particular because on the bottom there are 3 different moments of his life.
This one is San Giovanni, the decapitation of San Giovanni, and maybe this one follow the school of the Caravaggian.
Yeah, the same style.
Yes, the same school. This one is the Madonna of the Litria, and it came from the Matrice Vecchia, that was the chapel of the nobility in the ex-castle that we have.
And then we have Padre Pio. I can recognize.
Yes.
Padre Pio is international, of course.
One of the most important is that one, Sant'Isidoro, because this is a mountain village and he is the protector of animals and it was very important. Nowadays we don't celebrate it anymore, but it was celebrated on the 23rd of September.
Which one, sorry?
That one, Sant'Isidoro.
Agricolo.
We can go if you...
Yeah.
It's really interesting, the story of this statue, because of the party was organized just from the poor people and from the contadini.
Farmers.
From the farmers. And the nobility try always to not to go on good the party because of they were also always in arguing with them.
Okay, now it's time to discover the center of Gratteri, right? A quanto siamo come tempo? Quanto siamo come tempo?
18.
Dove dobbiamo finire questa? Anche qua? E poi scendiamo in centro?
Invece di San Giacomo è quello.
Ok. Guys, we have to walk about 10 minutes to reach the historic center of Gratteri. So we are going to close this first live broadcast. And then we can start with the second part of the live broadcast dedicated to Gratteri. And what else, guys? Stay tuned. See you in 10 minutes, more or less. Of course, guys, Sofia and Salvatore are not guide. They are only passionate people from Gratteri. So it's a pleasure for us to discover Gratteri with true people from Gratteri. Guys, see you in 10 minutes. Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily.
See you later.
Ciao dear Sicily lovers, and welcome to this second part of live broadcast dedicated to Gratteri. Gratteri is a small medieval village just in the heart of the Madonia Nature Reserve, and today I'm the pleasure to be hosted by Marco, Sofia, and Salvatore also is waiting for
Ciao.
us. And I have a nice surprise for you. So we are going to discover where the young generation of Gratteri used to spend the night
Yes.
and the
days.
The days.
All the time.
All the time. So let's see. And I would like also to share with you this beautiful corner, so authentic. So we are approaching the oldest part
Yes.
of Gratteri.
We are on the river, and we are walking on the old river, who was covered by the street, and he divide the old part to the new part. And we can go to this place that is the pub, the main pub where we spend our time, particularly the nights. And this is Piazza Mulinello because long time ago there were some mulini who were used to put the water to the bottom. We can go to the pub.
Let's discover.
As you can see, there are lots of young people, and there is Salvatore who are.
I just bring some rosmarino and salvia.
Wow!
To make a typical cocktail of
Wow!
Gratteri.
Let's discover what we are going to drink. One of my favorite part, of course, guys.
This is the pub, and is the property is Mario.
Devo abbassare la musica perché Facebook blocca la diretta.
He is Mario, and she is Giuliana.
Ciao Mario, ciao Giuliana! Cosa ci preparate di buono?
Salvia, limone e rosmarino.
So, the main aromatic herbs are sage, rosemary, and what else?
And lemon.
And lemons, of course. copyright.
In che senso?
Perché devi pagare.
Bisogna bere.
Cos'è?
This is a
Devi
liqueur.
spiegare un po' gli ingredienti.
È un liquore con salvia e limone.
Oh, so
Novità.
it's
New entry.
a liquor based on sage and lemon.
Prosecco e tonica.
Then we have prosecco and sorry.
Tonica.
And Schweppes water tonic. Salvatore, is this for you?
Yes, of course.
Guys, Salvatore is a little bit shy, so put your tummy up for Salvatore because he needs
Salute.
I think the smell is very fresh. Perfect to refresh during
Yes.
a hot day like this. Thank you for sharing this. And now we have the power to discover Gratteri, to enjoy this walking
Buongiorno.
tour of Gratteri. Ciao!
Ciao.
Grazie, ciao! Allora vado con Sofia e tu così fra 2 minuti dai il microfono a Sofia, così ti bevi quello e ci raggiungi.
Allora, prendiamo adesso da una stradina.
What do you
This is
think
the
about
one of the-
my crochet earrings, guys, and my lemon necklace? Crochet, handmade in Sicily. Sorry, Sofia. So it's time to discover the
Yes.
historic center of Gratteri.
This is one of our favorite narrow street because it's very full of flowers, and in the night when they put the light on, it's very, very unique. And we can go through this street, and I'm gonna show you one of the most ancient house. As a matter of fact, it is called the House of 1,000 Years. And this is a particular house because it has a circular plan, like the Arabian one. So we are sure that in Gratteri they were Arabian.
So Gratteri has a very old history.
Yes, yes. We had even the Saracens in 835, and we can see a Tammuso. This is a Tammuso. Another passages built in the stone. This is the Bucceria Vecchia, the old place where the market go on.
The outdoor market?
Yes, yes, yes. And the strange thing is that the name is the same of the Palermo's one.
Wow, yes, you are right.
Bucceria. And we can go
This
on.
way?
Yes. We are
Salutiamo!
we are full of high street.
So I can recognize the medieval also plant, yes. And finally, guys, the hair is going to refresh because today, I don't know why, but every time I go live, the Scirocco wind blooms from Africa for me, so it's very hot today. But here in Gratteri, we are about how many meters above the sea level?
760.
And so now
This is the Arabian house.
the air is going to be.
You can see the circular slant.
Portale arabo.
The Arab portal.
You can recognize this shape. Of course, is the Arab style. Oh, look at this beautiful house full of beautiful flowers and plants. How many people live here in Gratteri?
At the moment, 900. But long
Wow.
time ago, we were
Very
more.
small
Yes,
village.
yes. It's a very small village.
So it's very quiet.
See, it's too quiet sometimes.
How is
but
life here in here in Gratteri?
Oh, we like it because we are free to do whatever we want, and we are lots of young people. And the beautiful thing is that we hang out all together. We have no team or different ages. We don't care about it. We know we are so far, so low, and we want to stay all together. And the pub that you see before is the most important place where we spend our time. Little children, for example, go to the campetto sportivo to
The
play
football,
the football pitch
Yeah.
to play together, and we do a lot of activities during summer and during winter, and we want to use even the tourism as a very important resource for our town. So we are very happy to host you, and we are very happy to have this new portal called Visit Gratteri that I invite you to see.
Thank you. I'm so happy because you and Salvatore and Marco are so friendly. Salvatore, ti ricampasti?
Ma
Ti
ricampai.
vivi su cocktail, ora ti senti meglio?
Ma imbriacare.
Come si chiamano gli abitanti di Gratteri? Mi scusate domandarti. Which is the name of the people from Gratteri?
In italiano
In
is
siciliano.
Gratteresi.
Ah.
In siciliano, most important, is Rattaluci.
Rattaruci.
Rattaluci.
Oh, that reminds what in Sicilian? Rattaruci.
Rattaluci.
Rattaruci, maybe sweet cat?
No.
No, Rattaruci no.
Sono gratteresi, è diciamo la variante siciliana di gratterese, va.
Gratteresi.
Abitante di Gratteri. Poi c'è la simbologia di Gratteri che viene appunto da questo cratere, dalla conformazione diciamo della grotta grattata che poi i ragazzi vi diranno.
So it
C'è una
comes back from the crater.
Yes,
Okay.
Because we have a lot of crater in Gratteri. We have Ruttapanni, Ruttafun, a lot of craters.
More important is Grotta Grattara.
Yes.
Okay, let's go and continue visit Gratteri. Mimma, qua mi fate fare ginnastica. Oh, look, this beautiful narrow street, and at the end you can see a beautiful mountain over there.
L'avete inquadrata la
C'è
casa
una
araba.
bellissima visuale. La chiesa di San Giacomo e di Sant'Andrea si vedono.
You can see also two churches, San Giacomo
Sant'Andrea.
and Sant'Andrea.
Sì.
Yes, and also the test of the head of Daphne, that is a stone. No, I don't know if you can see.
I try to.
Is a stone with
Yes, look at
head,
that stone, that mountain with this strange shape over there.
Yes, it has an head shapes more or
Yeah.
less, and there
It
is also
reminds an ant.
a mythologic history about it of test of Daphne.
Would you like to share with me?
Marco. Marco is our
Ok, ti metti Sofia accanto a lui così tu o Salvatore potete...
la testa di Daphne.
Diciamo che le pietre di Gratteri parlano, cioè abbiamo la grotta Grattara, dove c'è tutta la simbologia, anche il mito della vecchia, la vecchia che è questa befana che abita in questa grotta, e poi tante altre mitologie.
So stop. There is an old lady, a legend behind an old lady that they call Befana. And what about this lady, this old
This lady,
woman?
the history is that this lady has 2,000 years old, and she comes every last day of the year in the 30th one of December to bring a gift to the good children and steal and call for the bad one.
So not on January
Not
the 6th,
on January,
no?
no.
So this is the same, like the same
No, it's
woman,
not.
no?
No, it's not the same woman. Is more this lady represents more the past, the last year.
Okay.
And in fact, we construct a body shapes with the clothes, and we destroy it and we fire it to.
To celebrate the new
yes,
year.
the new year,
the new year is coming, and so you used to destroy the old
yes,
things.
The past and the last year, and to celebrate
to celebrate the new year.
Yes.
Ok, thank you for sharing. Andiamo da qui? I follow you.
Qui siamo nel quartiere della Terra Vecchia.
So this quarter is named Old Land, we can say, a Terra Vecchia.
Questa è una
and
delle
this
torri
one-
dell'orologio
This
dell'antico
one-
castello
So
che è diventato successivamente orologio.
okay,
Yes.
so this is the old tower that belongs to the castle of Gratteri, and now it's a clock. over
There is
there.
also a legend about this clock
Uh-huh.
and about two men that were two brothers, Francesco, Cicco, and Antonino, Nino. Cicco and Nino get up every day to get up all the people. At 3 a.m. o'clock they get up and they start to
wake up the other people.
the other people. In fact, this tradition rests on our days, and every 3 a.m. o'clock, 1,000 rings, chains, ring to wake up the people that have to go
Oh,
work.
so it's not a good place to sleep, Gratteri. Guys, what do you think? There is no time to sleep here in Gratteri. Well, this way.
Ci affacciamo adesso a una bellissima terrazza.
Oh, it's time to enjoy a beautiful view.
Signora che ci saluta.
Buonasera.
Signora, salutiamo, che va facendo? Mi riruminica. Oh, wow. Ce la facciamo da qui?
Sì.
What a beautiful view, guys. What do you think?
This is
Il pezzo di pilo.
Non si vede.
there is where before the destruction of the castle, the wall of the castle and there.
So this is the wall of the castle.
Yes.
The castle. Okay.
Before the destruction, the wall finished there. And from them, there is a carapé, where we call it the mouth of the devil, the Auca d'Inferno.
Wow, why? The
Because
mouth of the devil.
the devil, the
Okay.
mouth of the devil, because of Gratteri is like a crater. And
Okay,
is
so
like
Gratteri reminds the shape of a crater.
of a crater, and the finish, the last part is there.
Oh, so this is
there you can fall
the
in
end.
in the devil.
Oh, okay. So I don't know if you can see, but there is a like a hole over
Yes,
there.
a passage to the hell.
And what about that monument?
This
That
one
building.
is the Mother Church.
Oh.
That we
Oh,
see.
it's the back of
we
the
saw.
Mother Church.
Yes.
Okay.
The back of the Mother Church. The Mother Church was built by the rest of the wall and also of the castle, and also of a little part of some district that were La Terravecchia, another one. And every Sunday the people, because they were free from the work, help to construct this church.
Over there, people are enjoying an aperitif outside.
Sella, Italia.
The Italian flag, and of course we miss the Sicilian flag, because as you know, the most of our family have a Sicilian origin. We are a beautiful family of Sicily lovers around the world. So now it's time to stop the second one. We have other things to visit in this.
Stop it and we can go to the other church.
Okay, so it's time to stop with the second part of this live broadcast, and in 10 minutes more or less we can start with the third part of this live broadcast dedicated to Gratteri. I would like to stop with this beautiful landscape. And can you hear the bells of the Mother Church? Ciao dear Sicily lovers, and welcome to the third part of this live broadcast dedicated to Gratteri, a beautiful medieval village in the heart of the Madonian Nature Reserve. And we are enjoying a walking tour with two proud natives from Gratteri. They are not guides, but they are so friendly and so excited to show you their hometown. So let's start with the third part. Look at this beautiful corner. And be ready for the wow, and to put your tummy up for this beautiful view. Sophia, it's time to
Yes.
discover other corners of your beautiful hometown.
Yes, we are where long time ago there were the castle, the old castle, and it was a very big castle, and it was of the Ventimiglia, and it is very important for a determined period, the Angevin one, and in that period the prince and the princess let an archbishop die in our castle. The archbishop was from Cefalù, and it was called the Burellis, and he died in our castle. Now we can see the Matrice Vecchia. That was the private chapel of Ventimiglia, and we are pretty sure that under the church there were some underpassages that connected the church to the castle. As a matter of fact, behind the altar we have two tombs, one of Maria Filangieri and the other one of Gaetano di Belmonte, and we are gonna see it later. As you can see, we can, in the night it's even better.
It's like a postcard.
Yes, it's a postcard. And the thing that it's unique is that you can see in the same time the sea and the mountain. And
So over there the mountain, which is the name of that mountain?
that one is the head of Daphne, and near there's the Pizzo di Pilo.
Pizzo di Pilo. And then, I'm sorry guys, because today is not very clear, but over there is the beautiful Sicilian sea.
As we said before, we had two other dominations, one of Arab and the other one of Saraceni. And we were in the quartiere, in the district, and the typical thing is that they painted the house of a material that is called azuolo, and it's a powder, a white powder, and they used it to paint the house, the facade of house, and even to wash the clothes, because it's very useful to let it clear, very white.
Wow!
Now we can go inside the church. In this church was born the most ancient confraternita in the city. We have lots of confraternities, but this one is the ancient one. And the particular is that we have just two naves, not three like the other one. And the Madonna that you can see on the altar is Madonna del Rosario, and it is a Galginian school, the Galgini who built the little statue in the main church. And behind the altar we can see the tomb.
Oh, wow!
Yes, this one, and it is very beautiful. It's marble. It's of Maria Filangieri. The written is in Latin. I'm not gonna translate it.
Don't worry, me too.
And-
I'm not able to understand Latin.
And that one was the symbol of Ventimiglia that you can see there and on the and outside. And this is the other one. The stem, the colored stem of Ventimiglia, and the tomb of Gaetano di Belmonte. And a very particular thing is that you can see the angel and even the head. And it's a bit strange because the angel is a symbol of pure, and instead the head is a symbol of death. Okay.
Sometimes it's very common to
Yes.
find opposite symbols.
Yes, yes. And these objects that you can see are the object that people used to parade on the Holy Week, the Holy Friday, and they use it to do the parade. It's a very particular parade, and it has its origins by Spanish. As a matter of fact, the Soledad, because the mother of Jesus, it's alone, far from other statues, and it is brings by women. So it's very particular, and there are lots of other objects, and a very particular crucifix, because it is movable. I'm gonna show you.
Thank you. Sofia, your English is perfect. Put
Thank
your thumbs up for Sofia. Sofia is so young. How old are you, Sofia?
20.
20, so young, Sofia, 20. I'm jealous.
This is the chapel of Saint Joseph, and a very particular painting is the little Jesus who is fishing on earth.
Oh.
It's not very common, it's a particular painting. And lots of the statues and the paintings that we have nowadays here came from other churches that we had. As Salvatore said, we had lots of churches, not just 7 as we have nowadays.
Ciao Frank, visti che sei collegato? Ti mando una vasata. Sofia magari più brava di mia in inglese, che ci posso fare? Ma dare ripetizioni, tu mi ne runi più ripetizioni. I'm saying hello to my English teacher, Frank Ragusa. I'm a bad student for you, Frank.
This is the Holy Family, and we bring it in the parade on the 18th of March, and instead St. Joseph on the 19th of March, the Father's Day, and we used to do the luminaria. Lots of people during the street of the parade burn it on, and the priest say it with the holy water.
There are a lot of legends here in
Yes.
Gratteri.
Yes.
We can say that there are a lot of stories to share. Would you like to share another legend, your favorite one, for example?
My favorite one is the one of the Vecchia, and we told it. And but I'm gonna show you the crucifix that I told you about. His arms are movable, and on Friday, they put it in the urna.
Oh, here.
It's very heavy.
Possiamo uscire da qui?
Sì.
Ok. Aspetta, facciamo così. E nel frattempo, mentre camminiamo, se vuoi mi racconti qualche leggenda.
Le 3 porte. Now we are going to see one of the 3 doors who let people access to this district. That was the most important district because of the castle. And the very particular thing is that the Tammuso where we are going to pass down is under the church, and it is
Wow.
still in wood, the origin wood. And I'm gonna show you. This is the Grotta Grattara cave. Sembra la traduzione. Se Marco me la...
Queste anime, questa leggenda che mi piace quella delle più ore.
Guys, what do you think about Gratteri? I think it's so authentic. Another undiscovered gem. I think that Sicily is full of undiscovered gems. So if you are thinking to travel to Sicily, please take your time, at least 10 days to discover Sicily. 1 month is the perfect time frame, but at least 10 days, guys.
This is the Tammuso under the church, and you can see the original wood.
Questa porta d'ingresso dove entrano gli arabi, la piazzetta saracena.
This is the door where, from where the Arab came in the city. from Piazzetta Saraceni that we are going to see.
Oh, wow. So an important moment of
Yes.
the story.
We can go.
I hope that the internet connection still works here. Please give us your feedback about the audio, about the quality of the video. And it's so quiet.
Yes, this is one of the district with the oldest people in the town, so it's the most quiet district and even the most beautiful in my opinion.
Ora prendiamo da una stradina tipica, una delle più antiche.
Wow.
Guardate la pavimentazione com'è, tutta acciottolata, che si chiama in siciliano uciacato.
Uciacato.
Guardate.
Wow, perfect after a terrific lunch here in Gratteri. I had a terrific lunch here in Gratteri.
Ora c'è il campanile della matrice e lì in alto c'è l'antico castello.
Our typical plants.
Yes, and from this rock you can go upside to the ruin of the castle, and that place is called Carapè, and it's very very high, but you can see a very beautiful land view from Palermo to the other side of the coast.
Wow! And of course the Madonie Nature Reserve I can see over there, giusto sulle
Yes,
Madonie.
yes, yes.
It's almost sunset here in Sicily, so the light is perfect.
And
Is
we are
there
in Piazza Scala.
Piazza Scala.
Yes.
Sofia, please tell me why visit Gratteri, your hometown.
Because I think it's very beautiful and it still preserves the nature and the simplicity that in other countries doesn't have. And because we have overland and very beautiful landscapes, but we have also very hospitable people and lots of young people who are waiting for you.
Like Sofia. Sofia, are you waiting for our Sicily lovers?
Yes, we are waiting for you.
Oh, wow.
Yes, this is one of the best places to see our sunset.
So romantic here. Gianca, I'm sorry for you. Gianca is at home, is working on our Sicily Lovers project that is coming soon. And I have the pleasure to share with you one of the beautiful creations, to be honest too, the crochet earrings and the crochet necklace that belongs to our Sicily Lovers crochet jewelry. Be ready, because the first and biggest online store dedicated to all Sicily lovers around the world is coming soon.
This district is called Lufisa. This region is Lufisa because of maybe means defense, difesa, in Sicilian because it defends the castle. And district is an important
Wait for
street.
me. I'm here.
And district is an important street because of the farmer every day take this street to go work, and district is the street for San Giorgio, that is one of the most important monuments that we have. San Giorgio is an abbey, a very old abbey that is going on destroyed, and there are a lot of legend about San Giorgio. And this street is called the Street of Premostratensi, that were the monks that lived there. And there are a lot of legend about these monks, because people thought in the past that they were like a magician, like dragon, because they practice chemicals, chemist, and that's where things not good to see about from the people of the village. And one time, there is a legend that one time the people of Gratteri go there with a drum, because it was populated by wolf and other animals, and they go there with the drums, playing these drums, and with the fire. And fork and all these things to destroy it and to kill some monks. From there we can see the abbey, because it's
Over the mountain.
over the mountain. Yes, but there is also a big stone over the mountain in front of the abbey. That is called the stone of the monks, and there is also another legend about this stone. And this stone, in this stone were a monk, and one farmer from the abbey killed the monk, and for this it take this name. And the tradition with the drums is also preserved.
It's still
It's still preserved. Every party of the Holy Sacrespine, young people play drums every Wednesday to remember
these episodes.
this episode.
Thank you for letting us know. What a beautiful view, guys! Dobbiamo andare dall'altro lato?
Questo? This is it's called this place the terrace on the sea, because from there
the terrace on the sea.
From
Yes,
there-
because you can enjoy a beautiful view here. During the night you can also see Palermo over there. Da che lato prendiamo? Destra o sinistra? Da qua.
alla via Parisei.
Ah, qua forse mi scrivono video interrotto, può essere? Potete controllare internet, mi scrivono video interrotto. Adesso dove mi portate? Where are we going now?
This is the street Via Parisea. The
Good gym for me! After a terrific lunch, I had a lot of cold cuts, cheese, and sausage, and pork meat, and the dessert. Oh, so yummy! Which is the name, Cassatelle?
Le Cassatedde.
I cassateddi, a fry like a sweet pastry with ricotta, but they are fried, and so ricotta is very sweet and soft, of course. Guys, please write in the comments if the internet connection is good, if the audio is good. Please don't forget to share this live broadcast with your friends and invite them to follow us so the beautiful family of Sicily lovers can grow up.
This district before it was called Santo Vito.
So now
Vito.
we are approaching the San Vito area.
And this one is Via Parisea, because one time an old man that his surname was Parisi went district just to see all the city. There is a resort.
Oh, a beautiful resort here with a swimming pool. I'm disturbing them. And enjoy this beautiful view. This is Gratteri.
From there you can see the Mother Chapel, Saint Giacomo Chapel, and another one that is the Saint Sebastiano Chapel. And this one is very important because all the funeral are made there, and there is a legend also that the death in the night every 2 a.m. o'clock make a procession all over
All around the
town, and it starts from there.
Wow.
There is another one that is the Saint Andrea Church.
So authentic, it's a true postcard.
If someone want to visit Gratteri and have a good journey and good information, can find all the information in our site, Visit Gratteri. And there are 3 parts. This site is divided in 3 parts. One for the house and one for the event. So if you want to know when are some events when it's better to come in Gratteri, you can see from the site.
And what about the food
In
here in Gratteri?
in Gratteri we
I
have
think that you have great meat.
yes, great meat, but our specialty are the sweeties. The tortigliuna, for example, that we prepare it every last day of the year, and one song that we sing when we are back with the old woman, the vecchia, a vecchia. One song sing o mi date un tortiglioni o vi scasso portuni.
Ah, that's beautiful.
Or you give me a tortiglioni or I broke your door is an invite to share the tortigliona.
So a dangerous lady.
Yes. Another one is the
Stop! Ciao, saluta! I know you like. I like to joke
Parisi.
every time. I'm a dangerous lady here in Sicily. Quega bucia.
The work.
Qua venivano a
Marco, ma tu mi parli sempre in italiano, ma morire qualche cosa in tuo dialetto?
For the seed,
In siciliano a parlare, in siciliano!
Allora, qui in pratica venivano a scegliere i siti.
Ah.
Venivano i ragazzi, i picciottelli, si affacciavano da Santo Vito, che questo posto oggi si chiama Via Parisea,
Ah, forse nel microfono ti devi avvicinare, avvicinati.
ma si chiamava Santo Vito. E allora qui si venivano a guardare le fidanzate, diciamo in lontananza, e si venivano anche a parlare, una sorta di telefono senza fili.
Wow, this is so romantic. So the old men used to come here to watch the women and choose the right woman to get married. And they used to talk from this place to the other one on the opposite of the town.
E poi c'era un impiegato comunale negli anni 50, Uzzo Ciccio Picciotta, te lo dico proprio in siciliano, che si metteva qui e c'era il famoso banno, Uvagno, e diceva: domani mattino si rapono i scuole, maschili e femminili, in modo tale che tutti sapessero che il 1° ottobre, diciamo, aprivano le scuole del paese.
So during the 50, an employer of the city hall used to scream to alert people that school are going to open for ladies and guys.
Guardate, vi aspettiamo a Gratteri perché è un posto bellissimo, magico, pieno di suggestione, di tante cose buone da mangiare, quindi arricampatevi, vi aspettiamo a braccia aperte veramente, e magari chissà qualche volta verremo a trovarvi anche noi in America.
E come no, come no. Everyone want to visit the States because of course you are in our heart, because you are a beautiful family of Sicily lovers. I think that we are the end. I'm right? Or we have other things to see?
Diciamo soltanto che oggi si ricorda la festa di San Giacomo, come abbiamo detto, che
No.
è molto importante per tutti i gratteresi nel mondo.
So, today they celebrate their patron saint, San Giacomo. San Giacomo is the patron saint of Gratteri, and so if you have an origin in Gratteri, you can celebrate San Giacomo as well.
E in ogni gratterese, nel proprio cuore, se tu vai a guardare più in fondo, c'è l'immagine del volto di San Giacomo stampato, perché proprio ce l'hanno nel cuore San Giacomo.
So every people from Gratteri has San Giacomo in their heart. Sophia, would like to say something?
Yes, we wait for you here in Gratteri, and we are gonna host you, and we are gonna guide you in our beautiful and little village. So And we are going to America
Ve lo
to
diciamo pure in
find.
francese per quelli del Canada.
Ah,
On
bravo!
va-t-en ici, si vous voulez venir ici, on va-t-en, parce que c'est un vraiment très, très joli village. Donc vous pouvez venir pour regarder un village très, très caractéristique sicilien. Donc on va-t-en et nous sommes ici pour faire connaître les traditions, l'histoire et la magie de ces villages. Et donc nous vous laissons avec c'est l'orologio del village. Vi facciamo ascoltare il suono dell'orologio e vi aspettiamo prestissimo a Gratteri, uno dei borghi più belli e più antichi delle Madonie.
Bye.
Grazie Rosella.
Guys, so I used to say bye bye in a particular way, so it's time to say all together love, hugs and kisses from Sicily, from Gratteri, from Sicily. So be ready.
Okay.
So it's time to say bye bye from Sicily. Thank you for following us. Don't forget to put your thumb up and to share this live broadcast. Thank you for your love. I'll see you in the next days. It's time to say bye-bye. So, love, hugs, and kisses from Gratteri, from Sicily.
Sicily! Ciao a tutti, vi aspettiamo!
Sicily lovers, ciao!